Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the monthly Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as three waves up for W, three waves down for the X. I think this needs to make a 1, 2, 3 pattern, which is basically an ABC to the upside. I think it needs to go at least to the 78.6, so that way it ends up taking out the high of wave W, possibly even taking out the high of wave 4. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it seems extremely clear that this right here is the end of a crescent. I think this right here, first of all, over here is a wave A, three waves down wave B. I think this is a wave 1. I think this is very, very clearly 1, 2, 3 down for a wave 2. I definitely would think that this higher time frame is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a big wave 3. Most likely a wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of that WXY on the monthly time frame. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it kind of looks like this right here is over. It kind of looks like we had a 1, we had a shallow wave 2. Now there is a possibility this is a double 3 pattern, like 3 waves down, ABC 3, 1, 2, 3 up, 3. And there's definitely a possibility that it could make 5 waves down before it continues back up. But if this really is a wave 3 on the higher time frames, which I think it is, then most likely it is not going to go down and make a wave C, but more than likely it's just going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows on the daily and weekly time frame. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, definitely been going up pretty strong. We're not really at a fib level now. If we were sitting at this 123.6, I would say, okay, yeah, maybe it is ready for a pullback. And we do have non-farm payroll news coming out today. You would kind of think that maybe this is going to make a pullback, might even go down, take out these lows before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Now the trend is up. I am keeping in mind that it could be a wave B on the daily time frame, but the trend is up, and until we get a significant break of structure to the upside, I would definitely still primarily be looking for longs in a uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So for me, the last significant break of structure would actually be way down here. If it goes down and breaks this structure, that doesn't really necessarily tell me that anything. But this move down does look very impulsive. This move up is a little bit more corrective compared to the move down. Maybe it's actually going to go down today, but this move down is actually going to be part of an A, B, C crescent like this. Maybe even take out the low wave A, but then reject structure and end up continuing the uptrend. Like I said, the break of this structure right here is way more significant than the break of this structure, but if we do get a break of this structure right here, that's probably going to tell me that we are going down for a wave C, or possibly a wave 3. I definitely think more likely a wave C, but we got to keep all scenarios in mind. If it does make an ABC pattern like this, it should make for a really nice long opportunity next week. Today is non-farm payroll, so if it does go down, if it does break structure, that means it's either going to go down and make an ABC like this, or possibly it's just going to stretch out into a 1, 2, 3, if for whatever reason this is a way B on the daily time frame like I was just explaining. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.